Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down to access Privacy section. Now click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Over here, you need to click on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, click on Microphone to access your messages. Now scroll all the way down, tap on See All Messages Permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!